Welcome to JH. Today, we'll learn how to add shapes to your Google Docs. The process is straightforward. Start by selecting Insert from the top menu bar. Navigate down to Drawing and choose the New option with the plus sign. Once the drawing window appears, locate the Shapes icon. Click it, browse the categories, and pick the specific figure you need, such as this partial circle. Click and drag on the canvas to set the dimensions. You can easily rotate the object, adjust its scale, or modify the size as needed. To customize the appearance, use the Fill Color tool to pick a new shade. When finished, hit the Save and Close button. To reposition the shape within your document, select it and choose the In Front of Text layout. Then, set it to Fixed Position on page so you can drag it anywhere freely. If you need to make changes later, just click Edit to return to the drawing tool. Thanks for following along. If this guide helped, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.